So first Zika was found in 1947 from mosquitoes in Africa. And it's apparently been around in Africa for a while. Mostly people collected from mosquito samples. A little after, on the 60s, they found the same virus in Asia. And they were already dissimilar. So what we did a phylogenetic analysis to compare all the available strains, and we saw that there was like that huge difference between that clade from the African clade to the Asia Pacific clade. And then we started investigating like what are those changes. So one of the things that it's kind of like a personal belief I cannot prove yet is that there's a big reservoir of Zika in Asia and not in Africa, although it was first identified in Africa, and it makes sense that the host is in Africa. There was like a presentation that was showing the evolution of the vector and vector getting out of Asia and then being spread. I have that strong feeling that if it came out of Africa was like so much long ago that those two strains are like, it's not a new strain that came in like a little while ago, but it was something that was already circulating in stealth in Asia before. With that said, we recently published the evolution of the virus, but we didn't include any weather data or more like vectoral distribution data. So we want to use that to see if there was like a change of the weather that maybe increased the burst of Zika on the outbreaks that were like in 2007. And then it remained under stealth because people were not looking at it like a bad disease, and there was this problem of like, how can you differentiate Zika from dengue and other diseases too if you just have like mild fever and body pain. You don't have like any of like those microcephalic or that whole neuro syndrome that been coming. So we identified a couple mutations.